According to UN Tourism, more than 65% of international travelers prioritize immersive local experiences. Recognizing this shift, Vietnam is bringing traditional crafts back into heritage spaces, giving visitors a hands-on experience with local culture. Let's see how international tourists are trying traditional embroidery in Hanoi's Old Quarter.
Tu Thi communal house located in Hanoi's Old Quarter is where embroiderers often come and worship Lê Công Hành, a founder of Vietnamese embroidery. However, authorities are taking advantage of this site to revive the centuries-old craft, drawing international visitors looking to connect with Vietnamese culture.
I can get connected with your local people. It's very good to improve the activities like this.
They start with just the simplest stitches, and after a short time, they can use the threads to create these patterns. And while they're doing that, I also tell them more about Vietnamese culture. They're often really surprised that in a heritage space like this, they can have such a close and personal experience.
Tu Thi communal house is just one example of how traditional embroidery draws international visitors into the heritage space. This approach is now being seen across other heritage sites in Vietnam.
Here, at the Temple of Literature, visitors learn traditional wood carving directly from local artisans, discovering Vietnam's heritage through hands-on practice.
The workshop, bringing traditional crafts to the streets, attracts around 100 participants each day, with international visitors making up nearly 60%.
These patterns date back to the 15th, 16th, and 17th century, and each one carries its own story and cultural meaning behind it. Visitors can create their own piece and even carve their names, a loved one's names, or the name of the place they visited here.
You're interacting with local people, so they're showing you just a completely different way of workmanship, and I think it's brilliant.
With more than 40,000 heritage sites across Vietnam, bringing traditional crafts into these spaces is creating new ways for international visitors to connect with local culture.
We're increasingly seeing culture as a valuable resource for developing distinctive tourism products. Tourism is shifting from passive sightseeing to deeper cultural experiences that bring heritage to life. This adds value to tourism, encourages greater visitor spending and longer stays.
Vietnam welcomed nearly 12.3 million international visitors in the first half of 2026, up 14.9% year-on-year. With cultural tourism now accounting for over 30% of tourism offerings, experiencing heritage is creating new value for visitors in Vietnam's tourism industry.